So I just I'm about to enter this position on NQ. I entered this position, then I exited once we got 50% in drawdown. So because I'm getting 34% excursion, max adverse excursion, that seems to be consistent with all my trading since Forex. Six nine 150. There goes the buy. And market opens in 2 minutes. I would say I definitely need to work on my recognition of acceptance outside of balance areas because I typically, like, as soon as we break, I'm looking for it to. I enter off the first test of the level again. If we get above right here, I'm cutting the position. Okay, that's not gonna work. So we have news coming out at 9:45. Want to be able to hold until that time. What is this? When's the last time I used a trend line? Oh, that's projection. Just wait for price to break above CVA high and buy around a retest stop beneath the previous low and target the next CVA. So we're in scenario 2 right now. Scenario 1 I cut because, like I said, went past 34% max adverse excursion. I usually like to see positions move right into profit. I do need to study more of DVA positions to see if they have the same characteristics as my regular setups around CVAs. But I'll study that. Let's put that down. Actually, let's put that in lessons. So this is a strong high target, right? This is the ideal target. However, I am looking at cutting the position at 3K. So let me figure out the price from that. Um, it's gonna be below ATR. We'll set it there. 766.75. I'm gonna stay here till 45. Five minutes, 4 minutes. So for the sample size, I am being aggressive with my stops. So my stop is going to be moved to break even here. And I don't like moving to break even. I'd rather move below a low, but I'm protecting my position as much as possible. Oh, I should be looking for ads here. Which we did get one, didn't we? Yes, we did. I'm gonna have to pass on that unless we come back down. Yeah, if we come back down, I'll enter. Let's see how much I'm gonna be entering. Stop is here. It's probably just gonna be one contract. Yeah, one contract. So I missed an ad. I'm gonna have to put that down as a missed trade. Now news is coming out. We could whipsaw here. Um, unfortunately, that would be unfortunate. I think that would just be too bad, and I just take the small profit. Because keeping us up here, not really, not really in the plan here. I think we're gonna whipsaw here. I need to, I need to move that stop, don't I? To retreat is ridiculous. Uh this is why I record. This is good. Um, I don't like moving my stop back once I've already moved it. I do not do like doing that at all. But I just in the situation, I just it seems like I need to give it more space. I think I moved it like too much, too soon. Okay, I have to go. I'll be right back. Okay, so we ended up as a break-even trade. Price is back down here at the CVA. Let's see where we're at. We're below view up. We might just tank from here. Right, ETA. That's a strong side, strong position. But yearly and quarterly are bullish. That's why I like this setup. That's why I like NQ right now. Everything's bullish there. Let's look at it. We get this rejection, I'll enter. Oh, we have 2 more minutes. So I just finished my DRC for the day, and today could have been an absolutely great day, a great trading day, but I made some mistakes, and we're gonna talk about them. First, going to talk about this breakdown on the review of the day. I initially took scenario one up there and cut the position after price dropped about 50% to SL. This is an invalid action because the majority of my stats are breakout pullback and what does that R stand for? Return pullback setups. I have a I have about 2 DVA setups from the last sample size, so the reading on 34% max adverse excursion is not accurate for DVA. It would be better for me to gather more sample sizes and look at the sample size of each individual setup. This would give an accurate reading of stats per setup instead of overall system. So that's a to-do item. I wonder if I can uncheck to-do. I guess that check doesn't really matter. It's just to-do item. Uh, just before open price broke the highest CVA, setting up a breakout pullback in scenario 2, I adjusted stop after price broke out higher twice. I then retreated my stop back to break even before news release at 9:45. I was so consumed with the stop and looking for the trade to work that I missed 2 adding opportunities, which would have hit my average trading day, which what I was targeting for the day, which is why I broke down 3K, saying I'm going to stop it at 3K. Um, I believe the flaw here is retreating my SL. I do not remember the last time I did this, but I did this. I did it this time because I thought news would pick up volatility and price would whipsaw me out of a winning trade. I said if it happens, so be it. I said it right before I moved that stop, right? But my actions didn't align with that. Next time, I should be certain of each stop movement and commit to it. Stop should never be retreated. Right, so let's go ahead and look at these. What is it? Alt L, Control Alt L, Control Shift L. So let's actually bring up CR chart. I'm gonna look at the ads. Went back to the recording and saw that I missed an ad right before I left. I was sitting here, the ad came, but the opportunity to ad came, but I um seemed like I just forgot that I was looking to add again if price came back down to the level. Right? So right here, let's actually go to the chart showing the DVA. Right here, price came back to DVA. This was the initial position that I was looking at that I could have added at, but I wasn't paying attention to this chart at all. I was just paying attention to the blank chart. And then price came back down to DVA, and that was an opportunity to get in again for an ad, which that would have put me at my target for the day. And honestly, here I made like high watermark was about 2,500. So that's a good day for me as well. 2,500 is a good day. So I could have. Wait, is there a signal for me to get out here though? I should pause and say, is there a signal for me to get out here? Not. No, I don't. I don't. In the moment, I wasn't identifying a signal to get out here, and looking to the left, we're above this high. We didn't break this high. We basically came to this high, but this isn't a high that I would recognize. I'd be paying more attention to this high here or that one. So I was really looking for price to explode up to the next CVA. So I wouldn't have exited early there unless I got that ad in, and that ad would have gotten me out of the position. So that's it. That's June 3rd, 2024. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.